can say polymorphonucleoside. The next, third point about the neutrophile, percentage amongst total WBC. Amongst total WBC, neutrophiles are of 54 to 62%. Then fourth point, we are going to discuss in the form of function of neutrophils. Neutrophile shows phagocytic in their nature. They engulf microorganism as well as antigen antibody complex. When the microorganisms are invaded inside the body, are killed with the help of formation of antigen antibody complex, and then this microorganism is engulfed by the neutrophile. So this is about the first type of granulocyte. Then second type, eosinophiles, also called as acidophiles. Why acidophiles? Because this granulocyte can be stained with the help of acidic dye. Why eosinophile? The name of this acidic stain is eosin. So we can say as an eosinophile. So first point in the regard of eosinophiles is what? Staining. And it can be stained with the help of acidic dyes. Is an eosin. Second, nucleus of eosinophile is bilobed. That means there are presence of two lobes in the nucleus of eosinophiles. Then third, percentage out of total WBC. Out of total WBC, eosinophile shows about 3%. Last, function. These eosinophiles are non-phagocytic in their nature, but they helps to fight against the allergic reaction, as eosinophile shows antihistaminic property. This histamine, it gives allergic reactions like inflammation, swelling and redness. So to reduce the allergic reaction, there is a use of eosinophiles. Whenever in a human being allergic reactions are occur in their body, at the site of allergic reaction, you can observe the number of eosinophiles get increased. So increasing in the total count or number of eosinophiles is called as eosinophilia. It's called as what? Eosinophilia. What is eosinophilia? Increase in a number of eosinophiles. Then third type of the granulocyte. This is an basophiles. Why basophile? Because the cell can be stained with the help of a basic dyes. And the example of the basic dye is what? Methylene blue. So the cell, it is called as a basophile. Nucleus of the basophile, it is twisted, that it shows either Z or S shape. Nucleus of basophile, it shows either Z or a S shape. Then third point, amongst the total WBC, percentage of basophile is 0.5%. What about its function? Basophiles are non-phagocytic in their nature, but these basophiles are going to release the histamine, and this histamine, as we have studied in acidophiles, is responsible for inflammatory reaction during the time of allergy. Allergy is an hypersensitivity. Sensitivity, it is needed in a human being, but it should not be hyper. It should be normal. and if it is get in a more amount, then it is on a hypersensitivity. It is not a normal condition. So during that hypersensitivity, allergic reactions are shown due to the histamine. This histamine is also released by the mast cell. Those mast cell which we have studied during the time of a tissue in areolar connective tissue. We have discussed about what? Mast cell. And this mast cell secretes what? Histamine. Here inside the blood amongst the WBC, basophil is helpful to release histamine. Then second, basophil is also going to release